everyone, bienvenidos a mi canal. If you guys are new here, my name is Karen. If you guys are not, then welcome back. For today's video, I'm going to be doing this look that I have right here using new products. So I have 8 new products that I'm going to be using, testing out for you guys, telling you guys my raw ass opinion, telling you guys how amazing they are or if they're not amazing. So if you guys are interested on seeing this review slash first impression slash get ready with me, then just keep on watching. Okay, I'm going to show you guys at first all the new products that I'm going to be using for today. So starting off with the Hourglass foundation in what do I say, golden tan. Then I have these Yalordelashes, Yalordelashes.com, or on Instagram, Yalordelashes, Yardole Cosmetics. These ones are in Tease Me. Then I have the Fit Me loose powder, and I got 2 of them. I got the one in 20 and the one in 30 because I wasn't sure which one was going to be better for me. No. Then I got the MAC Ruby Woo. I've used this one for years, but mine dried out because I've had it for so many years, so I was like, I have to get a new one. Then I got Derriere, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a nude color. Then I also got this cork color lip liner and cherry for Ruby Woo. My face is already prepped. It's already moisturized, primed. I did my eyebrows, I did my concealer, so I'm gonna go straight in with the foundation. Okay, she might match. I don't know how much to put on. Should I just like go ham with it? Yeah, why not? Okay. Oh, this might match me, yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've always wanted to try this foundation. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a flat brush. This one is from BH Cosmetics. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Why does this match me really good? Oh my lanta. I hope this doesn't oxidize though, because it's already a pretty good color for me. This makes my skin look so bomb. Oh my god. I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender just to kind of blend that into my skin. Alright, so next I'm going to do my concealer, going in with my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in 365. I think my last video I said 369. I meant 365. Bridge of my nose. Tip. Y'all know how this goes. I'm going to try something different. I saw this on TikTok. Why not? A ver cómo sale. I usually go down the bridge of my nose, and I have to do that, so I'm just gonna keep it like that. Okay. So how have you guys been this quarantine? I haven't filmed look at me, I can't even talk. I haven't filmed a video in like 2 weeks, I think. And let me just tell you, I have been so crazy busy. I started my own little baby swaddle blanket slash bow company. I make everything at home, and yeah, that has just kind of been taking up my time, you know, filling my orders and whatnot. I'm gonna leave the Instagram down below so you guys can go ahead and please check it out. I'll leave my Facebook page as well so you guys can give that a big thumbs up and check out my products if you guys have newborn babies or, you know, 3 to 6 month baby. These swaddles are perfect for them. I also make baby sacks, kind of like a little bolsita where you just like put your baby in there. Also I make bows, custom blankets. You can put your name, or I mean the baby's name, on the blanket, and yeah, it's been pretty fun. I'm gonna set my under eyes with the banana powder because I just like have to, and I'm gonna use that one for the rest of my face. Oh, and I didn't even tell you guys, I'm not gonna do eyeshadow today because I want to do the red lip. So my face like normal, the center, with the banana powder. And everything else I'm going to set it with the loose powder. I'm scared. I'm just going to put a little bit. I heard this powder is really, really bomb. So I'm hoping, because I've been using the, ¿cómo se llama? The one from MAC for literally like I don't even know how long. So let's see. Okay. See how long it holds up. Honestly, I think I could have gone a shade lighter. I'm gonna give this one to my cousin Leslie. So Leslie, if you're watching this, Nani, this one's yours. Then I am going to bronze up my face with my Hoola bronzer in caramel. Just a fluffy brush. I use a blush brush because I feel like it's more smoother. I like how easy it is to blend it out. And then I am going to cut that with using my banana powder again. Just there. Bring it up. So right there on the cheek, so it can kind of form and drag this down. Okay, and then I'm going to contour my nose, and I use the brush from Morphe, the M532 brush. So it's just this one. It's just a big fluffy brush, and then using the Hoola bronzer again, and you know, just go down the bridge of your nose. And then I'll do the tip, so kind of just connecting everything. I use my MAC powder to cut that. Just cut it, and then on the tip also, and just a little bit on the bridge of the nose. Okay, now I am going to dust off this powder over here. Okay, now I'm gonna grab just a fluffy brush like this one. I have no idea where I got this. It doesn't even have a name on it. So literally I have no idea where I got it from. I'm gonna grab my bronzer, tap that excess off, and I'm just gonna put this in my crease, just so it could give me some color. Okay, now I'm going to do my mascara. My right eye always waters when I'm doing my makeup. I have obviously I have lashes, but they're so super tiny. I hate them. I'm gonna dust off my nose. Now that that is all set, I'm going to set my face with my MAC setting spray. The lashes, I'm going to measure them because I'm most likely going to have to cut them, you know, because I have super tiny eyes. These are wild. So much hair on them. Oh my god. Good. Using my dual lash glue, I get the white to clear, so the one that dries clear. And I'm just going to rim my lash with that. I'm going to pop my lashes on because it's honestly so easy to pop your lashes on with those. Whoa, do you guys see this? This is insane. Oh my gosh. I ordered a bunch of her lashes. I think I ordered like 6 different lashes. Oh my gosh, my cousin Leslie gave me these. She said they were too much for her, and she wears her lashes all the time. So this is where I found her, from my cousin Leslie. Oh my god, I feel like I have like freaking hairball on my eyes. I love extra lashes like this. Like, this is me. This is literally me. I'm going to do my highlighter next, and I'm going to use the Ofra Rodale Drive highlighter. Don't make fun of my highlighter brush. Somehow got smushed. Look at this. But this is the Morphe M510 brush, and I'm going to use Rodale Drive with it, and I'm going to spritz my brush first with setting spray. Look at how bomb this is. If you guys watch Xoxo, she uses this highlighter, and oh man, this is where that's the first time I actually had ever seen it, was on her Instagram or like her videos, like and then I put them on my forehead, just kind of like whatever is left. Going in with my Morphe M431 brush, I'm going to use that to go down the bridge of my nose. So I'm going to use my Cherry lip liner from MAC to outline my lips. I haven't done my red lip in so long. And then fill in the corners. I hate my lips, you guys. I'm gonna get them done soon, and I'm so excited. Okay, now going in with my Ruby Woo on the rest of my lips. Oh my gosh, every time I put it on, it reminds me of beauty school, and I love it. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. All right, you guys. Well, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for subscribing. We are almost at 300 subscribers, and I hope you guys really end up purchasing some of these products because they are freaking amazing. I love them. I love them. I love them. So, enough said. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications. That way you get notified every time I post a new video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!